how to adjust charging reminder delays on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find the settings button at the top of the screen. Then as you can see, you've got here the all settings list. If you swipe to the left, you should see the Mitsubishi Connect. Then let's select here the charging messages, and here you can set up the delay for unplugged messages. So this settings configures the grace period timeline before the vehicle triggers an unplugged warning notification. For example, if you set a 30 minutes delay, the car will wait 30 minutes after you turn off the ignition at the safe charging location before checking the plug status and sending a reminder to your device. So you have to decide which of the following is the best for you. I think 10 minutes for me it's the best. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.